Hi, I'm Dylan, and today I will be talking about sourdough and fermentation. Fermentation is necessary in sourdough starters because it keeps the many organisms alive, more specifically the wild yeast, lactobacillus, and Candida milleri. Sourdough bread rises because alcohol fermentation creates CO2 that expands in the oven, therefore making the bread rise. It tastes sour because lactic acid fermentation bacteria releases a sour acid. The advantages of fermentation is that it's fast and no oxygen is needed, although the disadvantages are that it only makes 2 ATP and sugar is needed. The advantages of aerobic cell respiration is that it produces more ATP, although it is slower. Fermentation produces NAD+, so glycolysis can continue when there is no O2 or it's anaerobic. The alcohol fermentation is done by the yeast in the starter, and the lactic acid fermentation is done by the other bacteria in the starter. The purpose of fermentation is to produce NAD+, so glycolysis can happen. The reactants are pyruvate and NADH, and the products are NAD+.
Hi, I'm Dylan's mom. This is my testimony that Dylan worked hard on the project of making the sourdough starter. She worked very hard, and she ensured that she fed it around the same time every night to make sure the feeding was consistent.